Now that we have our fresh veggies, we're gonna chop everything. So I'm gonna start with cucumber. I never peeled it because they say the peel is even more nutritious, has even more vitamins and minerals. I tried one, it's so delicious, refreshing. Now the pepper. I'm gonna slice all on these kind of cubes. And the pepper is also amazing. And now we're adding all the peppers. And I'm adding these 3 whole tomatoes. I'm gonna add another tomato. It's not homegrown, but still we need it. Eccola, so the tomatoes. And now I'm adding a bit of salt. Just look at these amazing colors. I'm gonna squeeze a bit of lemon on. And now we're gonna add feta cheese. So we're gonna do a Greek salad. So we're gonna add this feta cheese. And for the end, we're just gonna add olive oil. This is so delicious. And we have our Greek salad. Delicious. If you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Have a lovely day. Bon appétit, mon ami. Ciao.